Good morning, friend. Myself, Dr. Annapure SC, Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, Aun, District Satara. Welcome all of you in this information literacy program. It is a best practice of our institute. Today, I am here before you for giving information regarding the Canva platform. Platform is nothing but where we can use various posters, presentations, identity cards, and many more things. As per your desire, you can customize it. Another feature I would like to explain here. It is totally free platform. There is no need to pay a single rupee. And third feature I would like to explain that we can design very attractive manner, and that's why you should have the knowledge information regarding it for creating many more things. And that's why under this program I have decided to give demonstration on this topic. There is only one need important to creating your design on this platform, that is you should have uh, your email id only. If your email id or gmail id, whatever it may be, that is very important and it requires while login and registration process. After that, you can create at that place many more things, many designs. And next feature characteristic of this platform is that it is a totally online platform. Suppose if you want to preserve it after creating your design, then no need to worry. You have to preserve at another place. Automatically on that platform, your design, it may be half full, incomplete. At that condition, as it is, can be saved. In this way, I would like to give more information regarding it, which will be surely useful for your learning process, because today we know that our education has been changed and moving towards the ICT based teaching learning. And so in this environment, in this scenario, if you want to do projects or homeworks, then you should have know the where we should do it, how should we do it, in which way we can preserve it. All these uh, what we can say that in all with aspect we should have the information of platforms, and that's why I have chosen this designing many more things with Canva. Okay, let us we move towards the Canva platform, how it will be look, and if you you once understand, then I don't need to show uh, deeply or extra information regarding it. What you have to do first of all you have to open your Google, then just type Canva, Canva. Canva. After typing this Canva in the searching box of Google, then this website www.canva.com, this website will be open before you. Already I am logged in within it. Okay, then it is not difficult to me open. But at the first time when we go here, then it will not be open directly. This is my email ID show here. Yes, the symbol. After login and uh, registration process, you will appear this window before you for creating the presentation. Look at here, it is a web page, first page of that Canva platform, and here presentation, resume, poster, logo, Instagram post, A4 documents, many things you can design. Another one thing, it will be found that already designed many things are available here. Only you have to copy and paste. But your academic target should have clear what you have to do. Suppose if you want to become a project of geography, then you should know that which elements should be used there, which picture which will be suitable, and which sound should provide background which will be match or suitable for that our topic. In this angle, your knowledge will be useful while creating this. Now, I will show you some brief information regarding it. Create design. Here you have to go uh, for creating. First of all, I will introduce all the menus which are available. Once you have created your design, then all your designs on this line, on this menu, you will be make available, shared with you. You can share you yourself only or other people also. Then create team, all folders you can create here. You can upload your own other photos, images, and which will be useful for your presentation creating. In this way, this is a first web page of Canva information. Then how to go, how to design it actually, I will show you. Go to create a design, click here, and after that you will find that custom dimension. Start with an image. You can customize your own yourself, or uh, you can presentation, suppose PPT, PowerPoint presentation. If you want to make here, then click here. You can create here a resume. You can poster any banner. You can create by clicking here. Logo you can create here. Instagram post, A4 document, infographic. There are lot of various features are made available by Canva platform. You can't imagine how it is possible, but uh, which are generally most important to us for presentation. It's very oftenly useful to us, and that's why I will show one and two example regarding it. Then you can create by understanding this presentation. Okay, click to the presentation. After that, this window will be open. Okay, this is a blank page. If you want to get free any designed already any presentation, click here only. Okay, and if you click here, it will be appear. If you don't want this, then delete it. Okay, as per your wish. Okay, if you don't need this symbol, you can delete it. If you don't need this, you can delete it. If you want this, if you want to move anywhere, suppose if you want to add that corner, or suppose if you want to add the center point, just uh, stick this icon and move anywhere your cursor. You can that matter will be uh, will be possible to move. Okay, then if you want to type here your own matter, you don't need it. Suppose I want to create my website of my college, then I will type here Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya Vidya Andhra. Okay, it is not visible clear. It is then what you have to do, then click here, select all, then you can change the font. Suppose if you want to red color, uh, okay, then click here, it will be visible as a red. Then you can spread this matter in one line, then you can just spread that line. Okay, in this way that matter can be changed, the shape can be changed. Suppose if you want to, this matter is very small, and if you want font size you have to increase, then also you can, here is plus button, you can just type, click here, and yeah, the font scale will be appear here, which type, which numbers fonts, if you want, then you can increase it as per your requirement, as per your topic. Okay, many more features are available. If you don't want that, then you can decrease also. Okay, you can change also color, you can bold it, you can italic it, you can underline it. Okay, suppose if you want to take a center, then it will come center, and list effective give here. Suppose if you want to give this effect, then effects also may available. If you want to like this, if you want this like this, many more features are available here. In this way, this presentation will be very effective, useful for creating this. Okay, after that I would like to show the next element. Suppose if you want to, this is my college, I want to give some photos here. Okay, suppose my photos upload already. If you want to uh, paste or upload here your own photo, then first of all you have to upload from here, then upload media, click here, all these images will be available here. After that you can put there. Suppose I want to show my icon symbol of my college. Okay, this symbol you can move anywhere, or you can add center. Okay, you can decrease it small. Okay, in this way whatever changes are uh, are possible here, only have to need the aesthetic view. I will suggest that if once you have created, suppose if you want our uh, president, okay, want to paste here photo, then you can paste here. Okay, suppose if you want to also our chairman honorable Rani Sai Maharaj, this photo can you also put here. Okay, in this way you can design, customize your presentation, the various aspect. Remaining parts we will learn in the next video. Still, this information in the first part is sufficient to you. Once again, thank you for listening my video. If you have any queries, then you can ask on our WhatsApp group, or you can contact me with on my phone number or email ID as jannapre@gmail.com. I will always help you. Once again, thank you very much.